Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the code and your device unlocked. Open the Play Store now and focus on speed. Tap your profile icon at the top right to reveal account options. Once visible, choose Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Redeem Code to bring up the entry field. Make sure you're using the correct Google account if you manage multiple profiles, because the credit will apply there immediately. Enter the code exactly. Avoid spaces and double-check similar-looking characters before you submit. Now type the recharge code into the field. Take your time so you don't flip letters like O and 0. Once done, the Play Store previews where funds will be added. Confirm that the displayed Google account is intended. Tap Redeem, then read the confirmation dialog so you know whether this becomes Play balance or a specific subscription credit. If prompted, accept terms to finalize. The app instantly applies the value, and you'll see an updated balance or eligible purchase options right away. After redeeming, review your Play balance or the purchase screen to confirm the amount posted. If the balance didn't update, first sign out and back into the Play Store, then retry the redeem flow to rule out a temporary sync issue. If you still get an invalid or already used message, check the card's region and the exact code characters, and make sure you use the same Google account associated with the code. If problems persist, contact Google support with purchase evidence for resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.